Hello everyone and welcome back for another video. Today we are washing the outside of the car. The wheels, they are already cleaned because I used a few products on them to try on. So videos of that are coming or all already posted. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today we are cleaning the outside. I will show you some clips of the outside. It doesn't look that dirty on camera, but in real life it is pretty filthy. It has never been this filthy. So first of all, we're going to remove the bugs with the bug+tar remover from Chemical Guys. And we will see how good this product really works. After that, I'm going to foam the car with Neve from Labocosmetica to remove some of the dirt already. And after that, I'm going to wash it with Revita from labocosmetica, which is a wash and coat shampoo. Very curious about this product because I never tried it before actually, and so I don't know what to expect from this product. And after that I'm going to clean the windows with Gyeon glass, which is also a very good product. After that I'm going to dry the car before I clean the windows, of course, with the new quick detailer from Gyeon. Also need to make a video on that, but we will see when that happens. So now I'm going to start with the car. So it is diluted 5:1. So I'm just going to do a little voiceover for you guys to make it a different style of video. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. So I'm just soaking the front of the car with the bug+tar remover from Chemical Guys. And I sprayed on the most common places, of course, where the bugs hit the car. So on the mirror, the headlight, front bumper and the hood. The product will make sure the bugs will be much easier to remove when I agitate them with a mitt. Later on, of course, I washed the car and touched them with my mitt and they came off without a fight. So it's a very handy product when you have a lot of bugs on the car. Now my next step, of course, will be foaming the car, and I will use Neve from Labocosmetica for that. I diluted the product 1 to 10 in my foam gun, but you can dilute it much more if you would like to. I just filled the foam gun with some hot water and shaked it a bit and it was good to go. Neve delivers a good thick foam, and even if you dilute it a bit more, and like all the Labo products, it smells pretty damn good. It is also a pretty slick foam, which I like a lot. Neve is a pH neutral snow foam, so it will be safe for every surface, so it won't strip your waxes or coatings, and it should be as effective as a alkaline one. It is no problem to use this product in direct sunlight, so it won't leave streaking on your car. I put 5 caps of Revita wash and coat shampoo in my bucket and activated it with my high pressure washer, and as you can see it foams up quite nicely. So now most of the time I don't spray the foam of the car, I just leave it on and I wash the car because I like the extra lubricity of the foam. Neve doesn't leave drying marks, so it isn't a problem when it does dry a bit, so I'm not worried about that. Washing with Revita feels very easy because it is a very slick shampoo with a very good smell, so it feels like a very safe wash. It is also a pH neutral shampoo, so safe for every surface. It should add gloss to the paint of the car and leave a sealant behind. The car had wet coat applied 3 weeks ago, so we'll see if I can spot any difference in beading and sheeting after the car is fully washed. I always clean top to bottom, switch the side of the mitt and do it again. After that I dunk the mitt in my 2 bucket system. For me, Revita is a very good shampoo, but I will do a separate video on it, so make sure to hit that subscribe button to see that. I tried to change the camera angles a bit, so I hope you guys like it. For me, it is still searching for what my audience likes and how I'll make my videos, because I enjoy making these videos, but of course it is important that my viewers also like them. Feedback is always welcome, also on the washing aspect. I'm always open to learn some more. From my perspective, the Revita definitely made a difference on the beading and sheeting of the paint, so I'm stoked on that. So I'm gonna make a video on Revita with a car without any protection on it and wash it with it so we can see how well it actually performs. But it looks very good on first sight, but we will make a dedicated video on that. But overall I'm very happy with this shampoo from Labocosmetica. So of course now the drying part of the car starts, where I used a Gyeon silk dryer to dry the car. I used the silk dryer for a few years right now. It is still my favorite towel, so guys, let me know down below which drying towel is your guys their favorite, because I'm very curious about that. But the silk dryer is a towel I can definitely recommend to you guys. I have the small one and the XL one, but just buy the XL one and you will be set. It can absorb a lot of water and I can do a whole car with it. Another important part of the car are the jambs of the door and boot. So I made sure they are clean, because I hate it when the car is clean and I open the door and the jambs are filthy. To clean them, I used All Clean from Chemical Guys, which is an all-purpose cleaner. It's also a very cheap product and you can dilute it 1 to 10 like I did over here. It does the job perfectly, but what I do is actually very simple. I just agitate the surface with a brush and after I go over it with a microfiber towel to make sure everything is clean. In this case, it is a workhorse towel from Chemical Guys. They are very handy towels, they are not that expensive and you can buy them in different colors. So I have a few colors and I have them for every purpose. Now my favorite part, which is window cleaning. And that's something I really hate about detailing, but it needs to happen, so here we are. I used a waffle weave towel from Microfiber Madness and a Gyeon gloss spray. I sprayed the product directly onto the towel so I don't get the product on my freshly washed paint. And then it is very straightforward. I wipe over the gloss surface with the sprayed side and after I switch it and go over it again with the dry side of the towel and then they are clean. I'm happy that the CLA has tiny windows, so it won't take much time to do them all, and I'm done with them. So now the last step for today will be going around the car with a quick detailer from Gyeon. Normally my last step would be a dressing, but there is still some Tire Express from Gyeon on the tires, which needs to go, so I can try some other products. Now to the quick detailer part from Gyeon, where I'm going to make a separate video on it, but this is for the people that made it this far into the video, or today that didn't fall asleep while watching it. It made the surface much slicker and added a bit of gloss, of course. On camera you won't see it, but in real life you can see it leaves a gloss look behind. Also I had a few water spots left and it removed it like a breeze. Also, it is a very applicable product. It's just spray on and take off with a microfiber towel. Sometimes I also use it as a drying aid. So when you finish off with the quick detailer, you will have that little bit extra gloss, and that's what it is all about as a detailer, of course. So if you have any questions, just ask them down below, and otherwise hit that like button. Or if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. It is a free option, so why not actually. The last part of the video is just gonna be some b-roll of the results. I hope you guys enjoy it and I see you guys on the next one. Ciao!